Tampa Bay is a dynamic region, attracted to tourists and businesses alike. The downtown area, the Port of Tampa, and Ybor City draw an increasing number of people every day. This rapid business and population growth means that roadways in and out of the Bay Area must be improved and maintained. That is why the Florida Department of Transportation, District 7, Florida's Turnpike Enterprise, and the Tampa-Hillsborough Expressway Authority are proposing a connector roadway to provide improved access between I-4 and the Leroy Selmon Expressway. Let's take a virtual look of the proposed connector. This proposed connector was approved as part of the Tampa Interstate study in 1997 and is an elevated limited access roadway that runs north and south between I-4 and the Leroy Selmon Expressway along the west side of 31st Street. Westbound traffic on I-4 can take the new connector to either downtown Tampa or Ybor City. Eastbound traffic on I-4 can use the connector to reach Brandon and southeast Hillsborough County. This project is designed to accommodate a future connection to I-4 express lanes. As travelers continue on the new connector with the CSX railroad tracks to their right, they will pass over 7th Avenue and continue on over Adamo Drive. At this point, westbound travelers can continue downtown on the Leroy Selmon Expressway or exit at either 20th Street or 22nd Street to Ybor City. Eastbound drivers will continue towards Brandon and southeastern Hillsborough County on the Leroy Selmon Expressway. We also see the dedicated truck-only ramps that exit to the Port of Tampa. From this view, we can see the Leroy Selmon Expressway both eastbound and westbound. We can also see the new elevated reversible lanes that run down the middle of the Leroy Selmon Expressway. Commercial trucks have access to and from the Port of Tampa via separate truck-only ramps. Traveling eastbound on the Leroy Selmon Expressway, drivers have two options. They can access the new connector to eastbound I-4 or continue on the Leroy Selmon Expressway towards Brandon. Eastbound traffic from the connector can either merge onto the Leroy Selmon Expressway towards Brandon or exit directly to 50th Street. Drivers from Brandon and southeastern Hillsborough County can use the connector to access westbound I-4, I-275, and Tampa International Airport, or continue on the Leroy Selmon Expressway to downtown Tampa. Traffic from Brandon continues onto I-4 West, and traffic from the downtown area heads towards Orlando on I-4 East. Seventh Avenue has long been recognized as the focal point for the Ybor City historic community. With its architectural details, this overpass complements the Barrio Latino Historic District to the west and provides a visual landmark as one enters or leaves the Ybor City area. Aesthetic elements of the toll gantry complement the 7th Avenue overpass. The convenience of the open road tolling provided by this toll gantry allows motorists to maintain highway speeds while traveling the connector. Entry into and out of the Palmetto Beach community at 22nd Street and 26th Street includes specialty wall treatments, lighting, specialty fencing, and landscape. The Port of Tampa, Ybor City, and tourist industry are key to our economy. The efficiency with which cargo, residents, and visitors move through the area is vital for our area to continue to thrive. The new I-4 Selmon Expressway connector will increase mobility and ensure that the Tampa Bay area remains attractive to both businesses and visitors for years to come. For more project information or updates, go to our website, www.mytvi.com, and click on the Projects button.